Hello dear students, today we will start with our next chapter, the study of wave function and Schrodinger wave equation. So we will start with wave function. Wave function at a position r vector and time t is represented by this symbol. This is called psi rt. Psi is a function of r and t. R is the position of the particle, t is the time at which we wish to study the particle. Psi is the wave function. It describes the behavior of the particle. The information about the particle is mathematically represented in terms of wave function psi. It also gives us the probability of finding the particle. The value of psi rt is high, where probability of finding the particle is maximum. So why the word probability comes into picture in physics? It is because of Heisenberg. As he stated that simultaneously we are not certain with position and momentum of the particle. So definite position of the particle is not known to us. We can just say the particle probability at this position is this, and this probability is measured in terms of the wave function, and value of psi rt is low, where probability of finding the particle is minimum. So probability defines the wave function, and if we wish to calculate the probability from the wave function, it is calculated using the relation psi star psi. Psi star is complex conjugate of psi. So if we write psi as x plus iota y, then psi star it will be x minus iota y. So star means complex conjugate. And it can be written as psi rt modulus square. So psi star psi is psi square. In simple writing we also write like this: psi star psi is psi square. So this is probability. If we wish to calculate the probability in a three-dimensional space, the probability of finding the particle in three-dimensional space is given as psi star psi dx dy dz psi star psi dv. So dv means firstly we calculate the probability in a small volume, then we integrate over the total volume and we find the total probability. So this is how we introduce the wave function and how it can be utilized to calculate the probability of a wave function in a certain region. Next is normalization of a wave function. So whenever we deal with quantum mechanics, we need normalized wave functions, and a wave function is said to be normalized if probability of finding the particle is unity in certain region of space. So we write it like this. Or probability is equal to the integration is from minus infinity to plus infinity. And normalized wave function should follow the following conditions. Number one, it should be single valued. It should be finite everywhere. Wave function and its first derivative with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, with respect to z-axis. Wave function and its first derivative, it should be continuous. So a wave function should follow these conditions. So this is the basic introduction about wave function. So now we will solve few numericals related to the concept of wave function and probability. So first numerical is normalize the wave function. Psi x e the iota cx over the region minus a x a. Solution. So as psi x is e raised to power iota cx and we are to normalize it, so we multiply it with a constant a. A is called normalization constant. So psi star x, it will be a e raised to power minus iota cx. So as it is a one-dimensional wave function, so probability for the normalized wave function, as it is a normalized wave function, when we multiply it with normalized constant, so its value psi star psi dx. So instead of dv we write here dx because it is a one-dimensional wave function. So we consider only x-axis. From minus infinity to plus infinity is 1. But as our function is defined in only in this region, so we change the limits from minus a to plus a, because the values from minus infinity to minus a will be 0. A to plus infinity, it will be again 0. So we are left with the values in this region only. So it will be 1. So now substitute the values from here in this equation and we will find the value of a and our question will be solved. So it is a e raised to power iota cx, a e raised to power minus iota cx, dx is 1. So it cancels out, a square constant comes out, dx is equal to 1. So a square, upper limit a, firstly we integrate it, later on we will put the limits. Integration of dx is x. So a square, a minus lower limit, so it is 2a. So a square, it is equal to 1 by 2a, a is equal to 1 by root 2a. So our solution for the wave function will be 1 by root 2a e raised to power iota cx. So this is the normalized wave function, where this is normalization constant that we have calculated using probability concept, that for a normalized wave function probability is unity. So this completes our first numerical. Now coming to second numerical. A particle is moving in a one-dimensional box. And its wave function is given by psi x, it is equal to a sine pi x over a. It is for region 0 x a, and it is 0 outside this. So here normalization constant is already given, and we have to find the value of this normalized constant. Solution. So wave function is this. So psi star, it will be a sine pi x over a defined over the similar region. So probability minus infinity to plus infinity, psi star psi dx is 1. Again we have taken the one dimensional wave function. So here instead of dv we write dx. So minus infinity to plus infinity, these limits we will change from 0 to a, because our wave function is defined only in this region. So it is a sine pi x over a sine pi x over a, because both the wave functions are same. So now our aim is to integrate this. A square comes common, sine square pi x over a dx. So you should know how to integrate the sine square wave function. So it is cos 2 theta, it is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, 0 to a, 1 minus cos 2 pi x over a divided by 2 dx is equal to 1. So a square by 2, 0 to a, 1 minus cos 2 pi x over a dx is equal to 1. So a square by 2. So when we integrate, integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos, it is sine 2 pi x over a upon 2 pi over a, 0 to a. So it is a square by 2, upper limit a, sine 2 pi a upon a divided by 2 pi upon a, minus 0 minus sine 0 divided by 2 pi upon a, it is 1. So this a will cancel out, sine 2 pi is 0, sine 0 is 0. So all these terms are 0. So we are left with a square by 2, a equal to 1. So a square is equal to 2 by a. So a is equal to root 2 by a. So my normalized wave function will be root 2 by a sine pi x over a for the region 0 x a, and it is 0 outside. So this is our normalized constant that we calculated using probability concept.